In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this METEOR effect in DaVinci Resolve. Later in this video, I'll also show you a quick way to mask the explosion behind complex objects. The first step of this effect is to open your clip in the Fusion page. Press Shift plus Spacebar to open up this menu and search for Tracker. Position the tracker to a point you want to track, preferably something with high contrast and close to the point where you want to add the effects. On the Inspector tab, change Adaptive Mode to Best Match and then track it both ways. Open the Keyframes window and delete all the points where the tracker wasn't on the right point. For example, in my case, the point I was tracking went out of frame, so now I will delete all those points. Good. Now add your METEOR footage. I got this from ProductionCrate.com. Connect the nodes and then press on the tracker. Go to Operation and change Operation Mode to Match Move. You might not see the METEOR clip yet. To fix this, go to the Keyframes window, and now you can see the METEOR clip at the beginning of the timeline. Drag the clip and fix the timing. Open up the Select Tool tab again and find Transform. Position the METEOR clip so it crashes to the point you tracked. Now get your explosion clip. I also got this from ProductionCrate.com. Copy the tracker and the transform and paste them for the explosion clip. Fix the timing of the explosion so it happens right after the meteor hits. Use the transform to position the explosion. Once it's good, close the Fusion page. Now, as you can see, the explosion is in front of the poles and things it should be behind. To mask it behind them, copy the clip on top and open it in Fusion. Delete all the effect nodes and close Fusion. Select the bottom clip and press D to disable it. Open the copied one in the color page. Add alpha output so we can see what we are masking. Select the eyedropper tool and mask the sky like I do. You can invert the mask so the sky is black and the foreground has its original color. You can change these adjusters to make your mask more precise. Once the mask is how you like it, add Gaussian blur to the layer. Reduce the strength. Copy the layer again and remove the Gaussian blur. The Gaussian blur basically gives it a slight haze in the background. It's a small detail, but you should do it. You can now enable the bottom clip by pressing D. For the last step, you can keyframe camera shake to get a slight impact for the meteor. That's basically it.